What's up guys, welcome to another video. You guys have been asking me how did I make this beautiful looking transparent quick panel and notification panel, and you wanted me to demonstrate this and show you how you can get this kind of an effect, the transparent effect on your notification panel as well as the quick panel. So in today's video, let's dive in and check out how to create this theme. The first thing that you need is GoodLock, of course. Inside GoodLock, you need theme park application. Let's open GoodLock app and let's get into theme park inside GoodLock. Now here I have already created the theme. Let's go to quick panel tab here. And you can see this is the one that I just created. Let me just tap on this and tap on edit. Now you can check out the transparency and blur level for the quick panel. I have selected the black toggles here. You can see the saturation is at 50%, but this can be anything. You can just change this and tweak it. And here the transparency level is maximum. Let me tap on OK. And inside this toggle, it's in white color. You can select white or whichever color you want. And you can see the toggle which is not enabled is in transparent background again. You can select this. Get the saturation level to 0 and select this white color over here and tap on OK. And even for this area, the saturation level is 0. And for the volume toggles, I have selected black. Saturation level is at 50%. Transparency is maximum. Let me tap on OK. Now let's go to the notification panels here. Now here, the first thing that you need to do is tap on this specific circle here and bring down the saturation to 0, bring down the transparency to 0 and tap on OK. And this one will be in 0 saturation level, and you have to select this white corner here and tap on OK. And this one, you can leave it as it is. I have actually selected this option. Maybe you can make it dark and tap on OK. Let me just remove this. Let it be white. Now the most important thing, the default blur level for the background, you need to set it to 70%. Let's bring it to 70% here. Now, again, this depends. You can increase it all the way to 100% as well, but 70% gives me that frosted glass transparency look on the device. So I have set it to 70%. Now let's go ahead and download this. Let me just go back here. This is the one that I've created. It's already applied. Let me quickly show you the quick panel here. This is the transparent background that you get. And on the notification panel, you get this cool frosted glass transparency level, which look fantastic. But the problem with Samsung Galaxy phones is whatever you do, some notifications will get darker background. For example, if I scroll down here, you can see this is a notification from 99 acres. I got about 14 notifications, dark in color. And this one here, it has got 21 messages and it is still light in color. So it doesn't matter how many notifications you have got from the same application. Some apps just don't get that same effect. It just gets that dark background here. Likewise, okay, here is just 2 notifications from Truecaller. This also has got this darker background. So there is no consistency. That's been the issue with Samsung's notification panel all this while, and it just continues. Let's hope Samsung fixes this issue. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know if you're able to create the transparent theme on your quick panel and the notification panel. Drop a comment. While you do that, be sure to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The new collection has been added. That's called Conceptual. Some beautiful looking wallpapers are available on Conceptual now. Go ahead and check it out. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. And do rate this application 5-star on Play Store. That motivates me to keep adding more and more categories and more wallpapers for you guys. And yeah, I almost forgot. We also have released a brand new feature on the application. Auto wallpaper changer is now available. You can tap on this, enable the toggle, and you can select hourly, daily, or weekly change. So do go ahead and check out this feature. That's all I have here. Thanks all for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.